Okay, we're here at Ray's workshop again. It's Mark here again, and we're just looking at the Ford F250 restoration and major project work. So Ray's been pretty hard at it, and we'll ask him in a second what he's been doing. But yeah, just dropped off a few more parts today for Ray to continue the work. And here's the man himself. Let's find out. Okay, Ray, you're on camera. Can you give us a bit of an update in terms of what you've been doing to the F truck?
Yeah, the back brakes are all back together now.
Yep.
Nothing to show because the wheel's back on the car.
Yeah, it's all right.
Same with the front.
Yep.
Brakes are all back together, ready to have the master cylinder put on to bleed them up.
Yeah, that's looking nice with the nice new shoes on it.
Yeah, new drums.
Drums.
Yeah, can't see the shoes because they're hiding. But
yeah, I've got X-ray vision. Did I tell you, Ray?
But yeah, new shoes, cylinders.
Yep.
Drums,
brake
hoses, of course.
Yep.
Shockers are still to be put on. Which
yeah, well, I dropped those off today, which is good. Hopefully they'll fit. And then in here, we've
the carburetor probably meant around this side.
Yeah, we had to make you had to make an adjustment for that, didn't you? Because the linkage was different on the replacement.
The linkage here from the bulkhead back to the carby was a totally different thing, so I had to make up that adjustable rod so that works properly.
Yeah, yeah.
We'll put the water pump on a bit later, make sure that...
Yeah, this is take two. Unfortunately, the water pump I bought was for a COE, cab over engine, and it's pretty expensive by the time you actually ship it to Australia, so it's a reconditioned. So I've got another one now, which we think is the right one, looks correct, so we're going to fit that, and I'll just keep that other water pump as a paperweight.
As a memento.
As a souvenir. I don't know, maybe it'll fit, I've got an Edsel, maybe it'll fit my Edsel or something like that. Rocker covers, you were saying before you're going to leave them off.
I'll stay off until we run the engine and make sure it's got oil pressure and readjust the tappets.
Yep. These engines have a bit of a reputation of clogging up the galleys, the oil.
Yeah, you mentioned that to me before. I have no real knowledge of that.
No, but I think it was because,
feasible.
I think they just say you've got to keep the engine oil changed and clean. And
of course,
yeah. But they're particularly susceptible to it. There's an article on another website that I was watching that talked about that. So I told the guy that I was doing, we're doing this restoration. He said, well, no, if you keep your oil clean and everything and check it, should be fine. So
well, that's the key to all things. Change the filters and keep the oil in regular.
It's like the blood, isn't it? It's like your blood. Keep your blood, filter your blood.
Exercising, they call it.
Yeah, don't drink too much, don't eat too badly.
Run around the block from time to time.
And look, Ray and I are, examples of that sort of lifestyle, aren't we, Ray?
Yeah, definitely. You might want to take a picture of the fuel tank.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Also back in
yep.
where it lives.
So got a brand new fuel tank in there and a sender unit, and I guess the hose we'll just have to make up, I guess, won't we? Cause
I've got that.
You've got the old one, haven't you? I think.
No, the old one's actually
no good.
Well, apart from being no good, it's a water hose, which is of course useless for fuel.
Right. Okay.
I'll get a piece.
Your proper fuel hose.
And I'll probably have to buy a metre.
Yeah, but, that's fine. That's fine.
Chop it down. You'll have several leftovers.
Yeah, I guess I can use those for my other trucks because I would like to get the 58, the 59, and the 60 model.
Yeah.
So the whole collection.
So you should have enough to do it.
Yeah.
I think
that's about it. You reckon?
I think so at this stage. Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Thanks, Ray. And I guess as I mentioned, I dropped the shocks in today, front and rear shocks. We've got the new water pump here. I didn't bring this. This is Ray's. But I need to paint the water pump too, don't we? Once we've checked it all out. But
sure to be right. Yes.
As you can see, there's a myriad of parts here, and some of them are even the correct ones.
Amazing, isn't it?
So anyway, thanks very much for watching. If you click down on the bottom right-hand side to subscribe, and please comment and like, and thanks again.